Welcome to the Hoover Dam. We're going to be taking a tour over here, so let's check this place out. Hoover Dam was built in 1931 to block the Colorado River at the Arizona and Nevada border. It is the highest concrete arch dam in the United States. While you are here, make sure to check out the Mike O'Callaghan Bridge that was completed in 2010. This will give you some amazing views of the Hoover Dam. Now, it is only about a 40-minute drive from Vegas, and to take the tour, make sure to visit the website to make a reservation. Parking has an additional fee. I believe it's about $10, and it's the only place that you can really park, so make sure to bring cash. When you first enter the visitor center, make sure to come early and also be prepared to go through an airport security screening style. Don't forget your tickets. Once you get past that, you will enter a theater where they talk about the history of the dam, and then they take you on the tour. Don't forget to take all the dam pictures of the dam tour. The purpose of the Hoover Dam is to produce power, flood control, water storage, regulation, and recreation. It is 726 feet high, or 221 meters, and 1,244 feet long, or 379 meters. It contains 4,400,000 cubic yards of concrete. Boulder City was constructed in 1932 for the dam workers and their family, roughly about 5,000 dam workers. At the end of the tour, they drop you off at the exhibit. Before you enter, head to the top. You'll see it on the right. Don't go outside. Take the stairs that comes up, and it will give you some amazing views of the dam from a very different angle. Now, the Hoover Dam Exhibit Gallery has a lot of history and tells the full story of how the water is used. It is kind of scary to think that Lake Mead might no longer exist in our lifetimes. Could this be a deserted dam in the future? I don't know, you tell me, leave me a comment. Scientists predict that the dam could last well over 10,000 years. Don't forget to go outside and walk across the dam. You will find some cool looking statues, the overflow tunnels, some mini observatories, and you can walk from state to state within a matter of minutes. It's a very cool walk, and you can see how crazy low this drought has affected the Colorado River. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's tour. It's pretty crazy. It's really short because of COVID protocols and stuff like that. I feel like they've maybe taken out like one or two things, but it's cool. It's still always an amazing place to check out, and always like something really cool just to come in and explore. So if you get a chance, come down here to the Hoover Dam. With that being said, you guys take care of each other, and we'll see you guys in the next one.